as of 2026, 6% of Fortune 500 companies are already using AI agents. And major Fortune 100 companies have aggressively shifted from simple automation to agentic AI in HR to manage high-volume tasks, to automate complex workflows across HR. Companies like Walmart, Microsoft, IBM, Accenture have already shifted from basic automation to AI agents that actually do the work. Recruitment, employee support, handboarding by AI. If you can click this button, you can build a complete HR AI agent in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. Let me show you how. All right, let's start by logging into Workativ. Head over to AI agents and click on Create New Agent. You can either use a ready-made template or start from scratch. I'll go with a template to keep it quick. Now, this is the basic setup. You'll give your agent a name, define its purpose, and add a greeting. This is the first thing your employees will see. So keep it simple, clear, and friendly. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Instruction. This is where you define how your AI actually behaves. So basically, you're training your own HR assistant. And next, let's give it knowledge. You can add sources like URLs, documents, or even apps. So instead of your employees digging through PDFs, the AI already knows everything and gives instant answers. Now this is the game changer. Let's connect actions, because this is where your AI goes from just answering to actually doing the work. You can connect tools like BambooHR, Azure AD, or Zendesk. And the best part? These are all pre-built integrations, so no coding needed. Now let's set up a live agent handover. Seamless switch to humans when needed. So anytime the AI needs help, it can instantly switch to a human. All right, now let's deploy it. You can launch this on your website, Slack, Teams, WhatsApp, even Instagram. So wherever your employees are, your AI is already there. Step 8, launch. And just like that, click deploy, your HR AI agent is live. And finally, don't forget to add guardrails. This keeps everything secure, compliant, and on brand, so you're always in control. Now let's test this. Imagine an employee asks, "What are my employee benefits?" It gives structured answer and do action. Now let's look at the back end. AI dashboard. This is your control center to track how your AI agent is performing. You can see what your AI is doing, how well it's performing, and what employees need the most. And the people who adopt this early, they don't just work faster, they stand out. If you want to build this, check the link below. And if you're serious about staying ahead, start now.